Hey guys, this is Alex here. I'm a University of Newcastle dietetics student and I'm currently doing my placement at Armidale HealthWISE, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade Bliss balls. So these are a great alternative to your sweet biscuits or chocolate when you've got a bit of a sugar craving in the afternoon. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we have for the Bliss balls today. To start, we have half a cup of oats, and these are to give us some extra fiber to these Bliss balls to keep our tummies feeling happy. Then we've got a quarter cup of cacao. You could also use cocoa powder if that's what you've got at home. We've got a quarter cup of desiccated coconut, a quarter cup of honey, and 1 cup of peanut butter. So these will mix together, and then we've got some desiccated coconut here, which we will roll the Bliss balls in. Okay, so we've rolled the mixture into 12 small balls, and then we've rolled them through the desiccated coconut. And so now we've popped them on the plate, and we're gonna store them in the fridge or the freezer, and we're gonna leave them there for a few hours so that they can set, and then they're ready to go. And don't forget that these are a treat and not something you should probably have every single day. However, they are a healthier alternative to chocolate and to biscuits because they've got some fiber in the oats and also some protein in the peanut butter.